Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to animate text to follow a path in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this we are in the Fusion page and we drag in a text plus, just like this. Then we type in our text, for example, this is my text, just like that. Then of course you can change the font, color and so on. Then you go over to layout and change the type from point to path, like this. And then you can just type in your path. Just connect the dots and try to go from left to right, because you will see why. If you go from right to left, then your text will be upside down like mine is right now. Just do it like this. Okay, that's fine for me. Then what you want to do is go here, just look with the red cursor, go all the way to the left, and then scroll here to the beginning of your text, like for example right here. Then click the little diamond and move your cursor, move the red cursor all the way to the right, just like this, and then just drag the position on path cursor until your text is out of the picture. And then we can just see, and that is how the text already looks. Now you can go over to Spline and check all these boxes, then just go to zoom to fit, and now you can click these points and then press the button S, so it will be smoothed out, just like that. Okay, now let's see our end result. And this is my animated text to follow a path. Okay, that was a quick tutorial in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.